how to connect custom domain to Lovable AI. Want your Lovable AI project to run on your own branded domain? Let's connect it in minutes. So first, go ahead and make sure that you have a paid Lovable plan, a published project, and access to your domain registrar. So go ahead and open your project on Lovable AI. Go ahead and click on all projects on Lovable AI and then open that specific project that you want to publish on your custom domain. Now in here, go ahead and click on this publish button at the top right of your screen. And then under this, you'll find this add custom domain option. So once you click on that, this will redirect you here. So as you can see, you need to upgrade your subscription on Lovable AI to Pro to be able to add an existing domain to your Lovable AI project. So once you click on this, this would redirect you here. So as you can see, if you are upgraded into Pro already, you will be able to connect the domain that you have into your Lovable AI project. So to be able to do that, you just need to go ahead and copy the DNS records provided by Lovable and then add them in your domain register's DNS settings. Return to Lovable and click on Verify Domain, and once DNS propagates, your domain will connect. Lovable automatically provisions SSL so your site is secure. Your project is now live on your custom domain. And that is how you can basically publish your Lovable AI project into a custom domain.